today we will see an interesting application of a transistor. We had seen that when we apply a voltage to the base of a transistor, it will conduct from the collector to the emitter. Now this property is also used for amplification. One of the interesting applications is when we make a radio. So the idea is that from the antenna we will get the radio wave, and the radio wave is used to supply the current at the base of the transistor. What this means is, when we get the signal is amplified. Now see this simple circuit. Just using couple of resistors and couple of capacitors, we are using this transistor to amplify the radio signal, and let us see if we are able to hear the radio also. Now, as they have said, this will need a big antenna, and we actually don't have a big antenna right now, but let us see. We have arranged the blocks as shown, so let us test. Turn the circuit on. Try turning the dial to see if you can get a station. This is the tuning dial. See if the volume is maximum. Okay, so since we do not have a big antenna, we are not able to get the signal, but still we can try with another circuit that will give a better amplification, and we can see if that works for us to make a radio. So as we said, we will use the same idea, that we are getting radio waves from the antenna and we are sending them to the base of the transistor. Now, instead of the simple amplification circuit, this is having more power for amplification. So let us see, our blocks are arranged accordingly, right? So let us test. Turn the circuit on. Okay, so let us try tuning the radio. Wait, I think the signal is just a bit weak, so let us see if we get a stronger signal.
त्यांनी आपली प्रतिभा, समर्पण वृत्ती आणि राष्ट्रसेवेच्या भावनेतून या क्षेत्रातून भारताची आजवरची वाटचाल घडवून आणली असं त्यांनी सांगितलं. जगभरातले अनेक देश त्यांच्या अंतराळ मोहिमांसाठी भारताची मदत घेत असल्याचंही त्यांनी सांगितलं.
See, now you are getting a nice signal.